Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, I am going to show you an interesting AI template. So how to beat your Turnitin plagiarism. So first I am going to show you how to beat Turnitin AI plagiarism with proof checked with Turnitin, that is AI check. So first we go to lmssolution.net.in. So in this LMS solution, you will be having an option called LMS AI. So you can just click on the option called LMS AI. So here you will be having different kinds of LMS AI templates are available for our research paper writing. So first I am going to show you an unique template developed by us to reduce AI plagiarism. So first go to LMS AI text humanizer template. So you can just click on this LMS AI text humanizer template. For that, so you can use this Turnitin checked document. It comprises of 44% is directed as AI. So I am going to take content from this respective paper. I am going to take 2 paragraphs from this paper, copy this, and you can paste here. Before that, so I am going to use Originality AI. So it is a AI checking software. It is used to check the AI content. So here just you can copy this content and you can check AI also. So it is also a valid tool to check AI. So it is likely AI, it is 100% confident. So in both the cases, both in Turnitin as well as in Originality AI, so we have checked for AI. So now we are going to use this tool, AI humanizer tool. So just copy and paste the content here and just click on humanize. So it will take several seconds and it will analyze the content and it will convert into a humanized content. So you can copy the same. After that, go to Originality AI. So just click on new scan, paste the content and then give scan. So it will analyze that respective content and it will provide the score for AI. So here it is showing this. It is likely original content. So our AI content is converted into a human-like content. After doing all the paragraphs present in that respective document what I have shown in Turnitin, so I have checked with the same in Turnitin also. So here the AI content is beaten, percentage directed as AI, that represents that your AI will be less than 20%. This is how you can convert your AI content into a humanized content very perfectly. So we have checked with Turnitin and also with this Originality AI. So both will give strong outcome that so this content is automatically converted perfectly into a, that is AI generated content will converted perfectly into a humanized content. So you can check out our AI template, that is AI text to humanizer template, and reduce your AI plagiarism very easily using this respective template. So in the same way, so you can just click on LMS AI. So in this LMS AI, you will be having an option called plagiarism reducer. You can do the same here also to reduce normal AI plagiarism. So you can just copy this content and just click on the option called reduce plagiarism. So automatically your plagiarism will be reduced. So this you have to do for all the content which is subjected to normal plagiarism. This is how you can reduce AI plagiarism and also normal plagiarism in your research paper using this respective AI templates. This AI templates are especially designed for research paper writing and research support purposes. And then you can just click on plans and pricing option. As far as plans and pricing is concerned, for basic at just 199 you can access all our LMS AI tool for 1 month. And you can have unlimited access to LMS AI templates for 1 month, and next to 999 so you can access our LMS AI tool for 1 year, and you can have unlimited access to LMS AI templates for 1 year. You have to subscribe with other plan. This is AI text to humanizer, it's 14999. So you can access for 1 month and you can have unlimited access to that AI text to humanizer also. So make use of this templates and make your research paper writing simple and plagiarism reduction very easy. Hope this step-by-step procedure of reducing AI plagiarism will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.